It's Wednesday, the 31st of July 2024. Welcome to the 94th edition of the Ouria newsletter series, where we shall discuss manure, its antecedents, how it is best applied for maximum yields, and the top 5 commandments in manure application for African farmers. What is manure? Manure is a nutrient-rich organic substance derived from the decomposition of animal feces. The decomposition process involves microorganisms breaking down the organic matter in the feces, resulting in the release of nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. This process not only enriches the soil but also improves its structure and moisture-holding capacity. Properly managed manure can be an effective and sustainable fertilizer for agricultural use. It serves as a valuable source of organic matter and nutrients for crops, and is commonly used as a soil amendment in agriculture. Manure can be produced by livestock, such as cows, sheep, goats, horses, or poultry, and is commonly used as a natural fertilizer to improve soil fertility and enhance crop yields. Antecedents of manure. Manure can be traced back to ancient civilizations, where animals were kept for agricultural purposes and waste was managed through composting. Over the centuries, the practice of using manure evolved from simple composting methods in ancient times to more advanced techniques in modern agriculture. Today, manure management includes sophisticated composting systems, anaerobic digesters for biogas production, and precision application technologies that maximize nutrient availability while minimizing environmental impact. These advancements have made manure an even more effective and sustainable resource in contemporary farming practices. Over time, farmers realized the potential of manure as a valuable source of nutrients for growing crops. Manure became a crucial component of sustainable agriculture practices, as it replenished the soil and provided essential nutrients for plant growth.
How to apply manure for maximum yields. Applying manure to agricultural land is a simple and straightforward process. Here are some best practices for maximizing yields. 1. Proper timing. Timing is crucial when adding manure to the soil. Applying manure during warm, dry weather allows it to be fully decomposed and incorporated into the soil before planting. However, if the weather is extremely hot or dry, it is recommended to delay application to prevent nutrient tie-up and soil compaction. 2. Quantity. The quantity of manure to be applied depends on the fertility of the soil and the crop being grown. Generally, in sub-Saharan Africa, farmers apply about 5 to 10 tons of manure per hectare. However, it is important to consult with local agricultural experts or extension officers who can provide specific recommendations for your farming area. 3. Spreading. Manure should be evenly spread on the soil surface, ensuring thorough incorporation into the soil. This can be done using a manure spreader or by hand, depending on the size of the farm. To ensure that manure is evenly distributed, farmers may perform multiple passes or till the soil to incorporate it more deeply. 4. Combining. Manure can be combined with other organic fertilizers or compost to further enhance its fertilizing properties. This can improve the availability of nutrients, enhance microbial activity, and promote healthier plant growth. 5. Soil testing. Before applying manure, it is advisable to conduct a soil test to determine its nutrient content and pH balance. This can help farmers make informed decisions about the type and quantity of manure to apply, ensuring optimal nutrient levels in the soil.
Top 5 commandments in manure application for African farmers. 1. Safety. Take care to handle manure properly, particularly during application. Use appropriate personal protective equipment, such as gloves and masks, to prevent exposure to harmful bacteria and toxins. 2. Quality. Ensure that manure is of high quality and free from contaminants. Avoid using manure from animals that show signs of illness, as this can affect the quality of the fertilizer and potentially harm crops. 3. Efficiency. Implement proper manure storage and handling practices to minimize nutrient loss. Store manure in covered bins or containers to reduce odor and reduce the risk of nutrient runoff. 4. Pest management. Manure can attract pests and diseases if not managed properly. Implement integrated pest management strategies, such as crop rotation and proper storage, to minimize the risk of crop damage due to pest infestations. 5. Education and awareness. Promote awareness and education about the importance of manure use and sustainable agricultural practices. Offer training programs and workshops to equip farmers with knowledge and skills to maximize the benefits of manure application. Conclusion. By following these commandments, African farmers can optimize their manure application practices and achieve higher crop yields in a sustainable manner. If you would like to learn more, please contact us on any of the social media handles below. Quote of the week. Knowledge, like money and manure, serves us best when spread evenly. Stuart Aiken.